Hi guys, today we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to talk about the UK, which we normally talk about. Instead, basis the title of this video, I'm guessing you know, we're going to talk about Germany instead. And truth be told, there's a very specific reason for this. Germany is about to introduce a new visa which will make moving to Germany a whole lot easier. And naturally, I thought I should share this with you so that you can evaluate your options. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Let's start off with why Germany needs to attract skilled workers in the first place. Just this year alone, the shortage of skilled workers in Germany has reached an all-time high. The Institute for Employment Research found that there were 1.74 million job vacancies throughout the country. That is a lot. And by the time we hit July, the staff shortages in almost half of the companies that were surveyed by a Munich-based company was so severe that they had to reduce their operations, which isn't really good for the economy if you think about it. And this is exactly why the German government is introducing this new work permit system called Chancenkart, or opportunity. I hope I'm saying it right, and if I'm not, please forgive me. I do not speak any German, although maybe it's time I learned some. This new work permit will comprise of a points-based system, which is typically used by a lot of other developed countries and countries that are very friendly to immigration. The goal of Chancenkart is to use a points-based system to allow skilled workers from all over the world to move to Germany easily. Now, in case you weren't aware, if you don't belong to a country which belongs to the EU, you would then need a job to move to Germany, or else you wouldn't be able to. And apart from that, a visa specifically for job seekers already exists in Germany, but Chancenkart is supposed to make the whole process a lot faster and easier for people looking to work in Germany. Now, what is this whole points-based system that I'm talking about? Something you should bear in mind is that this system that is created is specifically for people who do not belong to EU countries. And the Chancenkart points-based system is basically a checklist of criteria that will help you evaluate whether you can move to Germany for work or not. But here's the thing, if you check all the boxes, it doesn't mean that you can automatically migrate. And apart from that, there's also possibly going to be a cap on the number of visas issued under this every year. Now, as for the talks, the eligibility for this would be that you'd either need to have a vocational training or a degree that is recognized by Germany. You would need to know German. You would also need to have work experience or professional experience for at least 3 years. And you would need to be under 35 years. But before I move ahead, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now's an absolutely great time to do it. Hit the subscribe button now and click on the bell icon for notifications. I usually talk about moving to the UK, but like you see, we're now branching out. Now, while the system isn't live yet, it is expected to be adopted before the end of 2022, and we're almost at the end. And after that happens, the new system will have to be organized because there'll be a lot of changes that it'll come with in terms of immigration policy, all of that. So you should keep at least a few months in your mind before this actually goes live. And even when that's done, as per talks, they don't really expect the first immigrations to happen before the end of 2023. And that's good news. You're probably wondering why I said it was good news, but here's the thing. This gives you enough time to get your education or your training done so that they are A, accepted by Germany, and B, you're in a good place. B, it helps you with enough time to learn German if you're interested. So if you don't know German, I would highly, highly recommend you get yourself enrolled in a course, or you take up online tutoring, or you just learn from YouTube or Duolingo, whatever it is, but learn German. And here's the thing, that the higher the level of German you know, the better it is in terms of you getting this visa. So I would definitely step on it. And the third thing is, if it's relevant to your job, get the relevant work experience certificates from your previous employers so that they're acceptable in Germany. So for the folks who are looking to move to a different country from where they are right now in terms of a better job, a better life, or just to earn more money, this is an absolutely brilliant opportunity that I think you should definitely consider. You always know a country is serious about immigration and getting more people into the country when they reduce the barriers to immigration, and that is exactly what Germany is doing right now. Also, tell me in the comment section below if you're looking for any particular country and if you'd like to know more information on how you can migrate to that country, and I will try my best to help you out. Now, if you're seriously looking at migration in the following year, Germany isn't the only country you can consider. There are a lot of other countries that pay a lot of money, which are basically the highest paymasters across the world. And if you'd like to know more about that, all you need to do is click this video.